Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something different. I'm going to be putting on some sport aluminum pedals on my non-sport Q50. So here, I'll show you guys the part numbers. Alright, so these are the part numbers. This is for the dead pedal. This is for the brake pedal cover. And this is for the clips that go on the back of the dead pedal. And then I should have a part number for the gas pedal. I'll show you guys later. So yeah, basically going to be replacing those, the gas pedal right there, brake pedal cover, and the dead pedal with the aluminum sport ones. Let's get right into it. I'm going to start off by moving the seat all the way back here. So first step we're going to want to do is take this piece off. You just pull right on it and then it comes right off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so let me get this off. So after you take that off, you want to take this panel off right here. If you look all the way down there, there should be a plastic screw just right behind this e-brake. Just want to unscrew that with your hand. Like that. So basically it sits like this, and you just want to pull it towards that way. And it comes right off, and then you pull it like that. So now you can just take the carpet back like that. Just undo the carpet from this retainer right here. And just two of those should be good enough. And then now you can pull the carpet back from underneath like that. Or maybe you should, if you have the e-brake engaged, it'll help to disengage it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, and then now you have these clips right here that hold on this dead pedal, just on the back right there. There should be 6 of these clips, or yeah, 6. Yeah, I just counted. So those clips are a really pain in the ass to take off. The easiest way I found out was to just pry them up just a little bit and use something like this, tin snips or something, to just cut them off and ruin them. And that's why I got some new ones, because I've seen some other people ruin it while take it off anyways. So you might as well just cut them off and then get a new set. Put a slit right there where my thumb is, kind of. Yeah, there you see now you see it. So put a slit right there and then just pull it. You'll ruin them, but just get new ones. They're not that expensive. So I finally got it off. That was probably the hardest part of this whole project. I even broke, towards the end, I even broke that dead pedal. And these are the clips that came off of it. So now we can focus on the fun stuff. So now I'm gonna take off the brake pedal. Brake pedal is pretty easy. It's just a piece of rubber. You just have to pry it from behind. It is a little tight of a fitment, but you just have to keep prying and then it'll come right off. So for the new dead pedal, you just line it up to the holes and then just make sure it falls into the holes. There we go. And then you just have to put those clips back on. So I got some new ones. You just gotta basically make sure the teeth on the clips bite into the back of the dead pedal. So there you go, dead pedal's done. Now we just gotta do the brake pedal. The same thing, I'll just mount on like a cover like that. So I'll get that done. All right, there you go. Brake pedal's done as well. I kind of messed up with the gas pedal. I think I ordered the wrong part. So I won't be installing that in this video. I'm gonna have to go and look for the proper part numbers and get that ordered. I'll try to show you guys what I mean. So this is the one I ordered, and if you can see just at the bottom here, this is the sensor, and this right here is the pedal. But But then if you see on the one I have in the vehicle right now, it looks like the pedal, and then you see a little drum there, that's like a pivot. So let me see if I can catch that. See that like moves? I don't have that on this new pedal. So I think what the difference is this pedal here is for a sport that doesn't have what do you call it, adaptive cruise control, and that one, which my car has adaptive cruise control. So I think that's the difference. I'll have to do more research and find the proper part number. So for now, I'm just gonna put the trims back together and go for a drive just to check and make sure everything's good. As far as the gas pedal goes, I'm not gonna do it obviously, but I'll get the correct part ordered. That one looks more complicated to do than the one I ordered. So the one without the, what do you call it, the adaptive cruise control. This one looks more complicated, so hopefully that works out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna end the video right there. I'm just gonna go on a drive now, make sure everything's good. I didn't take off anything that I shouldn't take off anyways. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna get the new gas pedal ordered, and I'll catch you guys on that video.